All right, guys, how's it going? This is your professor, Dr. Mike Ice, with your six-pack guide, day one, okay? So the first step that you're gonna have to do is actually decide that you're gonna get a six-pack, okay? So if you look at the Transtheoretical Model of Change, what you'll notice is, you have the pre-contemplation, contemplation, preparation, and the action, the do. So, and of course there's relapse as well, but the main thing what you have to do is you have to actually decide to literally go out there and get your six pack. So you literally have to decide that. The way that we'll do that is you just have to write it down. So, just write down, I did this, I will get a six pack, no excuses, 11/22/26, and I signed it. And that's it. That's all you have to do for day one. You are done for the day. I know a lot of you guys want to do so much when you decide to get a six pack, and then you just get burned out and fail. And I feel like you just have to take it nice and slow. You've been out of shape for, who knows, right? You've been out of shape for, I don't know, what, 5, 10, 15 years or more? Like, it's okay to take just a small step. So your first day, all you have to do is write it down, and then when day two comes, you just move on to day two.